Hey everyone, welcome back to Trails on the Spectrum. In this short video, I want to tell you guys that my Anker USB-C to USB cable, when trying it out in the Polaris RZR with Ride Command, was a huge success. I was really impressed with how everything went and how everything performed in the RZR. And I will be using the Anker cable a lot more in the RZR when I plug in my phone and I'm able to go to any album, any artist, any song that I want on the Ride Command. I can easily select it and then press play all, which will play anything in that particular album from that artist, which is great. So I just think that's really, really cool. So the Anker cable is absolutely incredible. And because of that, I think we're going to use USB from now on. Like, select a playlist from the USB cable and just go with it. And also keep my phone charged on those long trail rides. I don't have to worry about it. I'll download a playlist, and I'll continue to press the play, skip back, skip forward, and all that stuff when I'm offline, especially when I'm up in the mountains pretty soon, up in the Hatfield-McCoy trails. We'll download some music offline and play music through USB. It'll keep my phone charged and all that stuff. And plus, it's a 3-foot cable, so it's plenty long to reach the USB cord and still have a little bit left over. I can still put my wallet in there. I can put anything I want in there to keep safe, which is great. So Anker, good job at creating a really nice data cable that is very reliable in terms of connection. I was really impressed. I actually went riding today for about an hour or two, and it did pretty well. I was really impressed. So I wanted to road test the Anker cable, and it did really well. I was really impressed with the performance and the navigation and all that stuff of the music library. And that is why I put my CD collection in there, so I can easily select any album, any artist that I want, and just go A to Z, and then go to the artist I want in that, that starts with that letter. Voila. It is so easy to choose. But if I want to play, a full album, then yeah, I'll probably go to my phone, because on the screen it does it by artist, especially when it comes to compilation albums. Which is fine with me. I mean, I can go to any artist and play any song that I want on the touch screen, and it works really well. And I can't wait to start using this cable a lot more. And the reason why I got the Anker cable is because my Belkin, which is a boost charge 15-watt cable, doesn't work with the RZR anymore. So we'll have to use a different cable, which is the Anker. And it's a 3-foot cable, and I don't need a really long 6-foot cord. Just get 3 feet shorter. And that's, an exactly 3-foot cable for the RZR, and it works perfectly. I was really impressed with the length, the performance, and the reliability of this cord. I will be using it a lot more. I go to any artist, any album that I want, even if I'm trail riding, just go to the Ride Command and use my phone as an iPod. Takes me back to the good old days. choosing anything I want off of my music library, and I'm ready to go. And it plays it right from the phone. So if you guys enjoyed it, we'll see you guys next time.